Hello guys, my name is Thais and in this opportunity I am going to talk to you about the beautiful and amazing book that learn, enjoy the process, the journey, never give up. This book is The Rhinoceros. Scott Alexander book is divided into 16 chapters in which he talks about such decisive aspects as audacity, happiness, or persistence. But there is also room for the economy, work, family, the social, and the spiritual. And all these chapters have a common trait, the greatness of an animal as imposing as the rhinoceros, a majestic animal, and that the actor of the book understands as an example of success that will channel can help us get the best out of each one of us. Continue.